Okay, I'm going to clean out the burette. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of distilled water in there, swish it around a little bit. I'm going to get my big long burette cleaner here, stick that in. Squirt a little bit out and put it all out, all that water out. I'm going to take my funnel, pop it in there. We're going to add the primary standard to it. Take the funnel out. I've gone past 0. So I am going to squeeze the end of it here and I'm going to get the bottom of the meniscus down to the 0 line. Here is some hydrochloric acid, and what we're going to do is we are going to get 10 mils of it exactly. So here is a pipette, pump, hold it near the end, put it in, and I'm going to roll my thumb down here. The liquid's going to go up into the pipette, past the line, and let's see if we can get it. There we go, it's right just on top of the line. And I am now going to transfer it to the conical flask. Push the button at the top. And it is going into the conical flask. Now there's a little bit left over, so I'm just going to tap that on the side, remove that, and add a few drops of bromothymol blue, and we've got a nice little colour going on here. All right, titration time. I've got a white pencil here, that's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the solution from the burette. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Oh, starting to go blue. Let's put a drop in. Swirl, still blue. That's cool. All right. So we've now got a green colour, and that's the end of the titration. Let's see if we can read what it says on the burette. We're looking at the bottom of the meniscus, and that 0.7 mils. Right, now you got to do that a couple more times and get 3 concordant results.